This illustration deals with AC receptacle outlets used for EVPE. And of course, we have to comply with 625.60A as in apple through D as in dog. The purpose of the change was to provide a new section. And this new section has been added to address receptacles located in a vehicle. Although these receptacles are located on the vehicle, they need to be provided with some protections schemes in order to be installed and used in the same manner as receptacles in the building infrastructure. Safety requirements for the end product that is plugged into these receptacles count on specific features and safety devices in the installation, and plugging into a receptacle on the vehicle needs to be controlled in the same manner. This is similar to the approach used for portable generators and is required for safe use of the products. Now, first of all, let's just review the call-outs, and you notice that the first call-out there with the arrow to the connecting means on the vehicle, the EVPE receptacle is installed in the vehicle as outlined in 625.60. And you can see off-board type utilization. Again, it's talked about in 625.60. We want to review that. Then you have the call out right between the lighting fixtures in the illustration, and for interactivity equipment, evolutionary type problems, look at 625.48. And then, of course, the review sections of the type rating and overcurrent protection. Notice it's right up the stairs in the room that's to the left. And the type we're talking about here would be 625.60A. The rating now would be 625.60B. The overcurrent protection now would be 625.60C. Ground fault protection of personnel would be outlined in 625.60D and 625.54. And then notice in the note that receptacle can be 250 volt max and a single phase 50 amp max. And again, this is outlined in 625.60B. So this kind of gives you the call outs and the note that deals with this new revision. Or it's really not a revision completely, it's a new section. But I would like to remind you again that if any enclosure is installed in a wet location, it has to be a weatherproof enclosure, and we are told this in 625.56 in the 2020 NEC. Now, for the time allotted to this illustration, then this pretty well addresses this new section in a manner that you should be able to understand why it was provided.